So today we'll be harvesting the garlic scapes off the elephant garlic. Probably should have done these a week or two ago now. And I'm also going to be harvesting majority of the garlic in this bed. Most of it's leaning over, some of it's still going quite strong, but they're showing signs that they're pretty much ready. Picked a couple this morning just to have a quick look. Not very big, but they'll do. So what I'll do, get the camera set up, get these garlic scapes harvested first, and then move on to harvesting the rest of the garlic. Right then, so we'll start off with picking some of these scapes. We'll go all the way up to first leaf and just cut them on an angle. I'm thinking about trying to make some garlic scape batter with these. Not all of them have thrown up scapes. There's a few here that hadn't. I'm just assuming them bulbs haven't split. But we can plant them next year as rounds and should get a decent bulb out of them then. I think that's it for the scapes. So, a nice bunch of garlic scapes there. These are all off the elephant garlic. So have a go making some garlic batter with them. And if there's anything else you can suggest doing with them, let me know in the comments. I have seen a few videos about people pickling them and trying a bit with them. And so I think I'm going to leave the elephant garlic in for a few days yet, probably another week. But I am going to harvest the rest of this garlic. Can't remember what it was, the label's worn off. But they're planted in October, and to be honest, they've grown quite well. I'm really happy with the way that they've grown. Not a bad size, not the biggest I've seen, but still nice looking garlic. And that'll do for us. All I'm going to do is pull off any dirt and take the first layer of skin off, just to leave a nice clean bulb. Try and leave as much of that dirt in the bed as we can. Not a bad size. And all I'm doing is just getting underneath them with a fork, loosening slightly, and then pulling. If you just pull straight up, you're going to break the stem, which will affect the drying and the curing. Ideally you want to leave it attached to the stem as long as you can. Right then, I'll get through these and we'll get back to you after that. But if you haven't already guys, please do consider subscribing and drop me a comment below. See, they're not, some are really small, there's not many of those. Yeah, and don't forget to drop me a comment below, let me know if you're growing garlic this year and how your harvest has gone. Right then guys, so that's them all picked. Quite a few there, a few decent sized ones, a few of the others not so big, but overall I'm happy with that. Just going to leave them out in the sun to dry off for the rest of the day, and I'll move them into the polytunnel this evening. But I'm going to leave the elephant garlic in for a few more days, get that out and get this bed planted back up with something else. Do still have a few more in these baskets. I'm going to leave these for a few more days and probably get these with the elephant garlic next week sometime. Right then guys, that is going to be it for me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.